In front of me is TCL 20 Pro, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select accounts, and now click on add account. And here you need to pick Google because it's the Google account that we would like to add. Obviously you need to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to add this Google account. And now just provide your email address or phone number. And tap on next. Oh, sorry, it's info, not in go. Here it is, and now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. And here just go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on I agree. And tap on accept then. And that's it. As you can see, your Google account is added to this device. And then whenever you'd like to remove this account or any other account from your device, just mark it and then select remove account. Confirm that you would like to remove this account with all its data. So let me do it again. Wakey wakey. Okay, so now it worked. So as you can see, it has been already removed. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.